Hey guys, NC85 back with another video. We're continuing on this lower receiver of mine that was stripped, installing a component at a time. Today I'm going to do the front pivot pin. These are the pivot pins that I'm using. And I just want to showcase kind of this neat tool. This really helps with installing this, otherwise you have to use like a razor blade or other methods with magnets. This just makes it a lot easier. So this is really the only tool that I use for this. If you look back at my older videos, you'll see that I use a razor blade and things of that nature, but in this video I'm just going to use this. So we're doing the front pivot pin. The rear pin will be at a later time because that involves installing the receiver extension. So here's the rear of the receiver moving forward, and there's a small hole right here. That is where we are going to place our spring. The spring goes in first and it just drops right into place. And it will be sticking out just a little bit. Now this tool that I'm going to use, it's two pieces. Just going to get this ready. So I like to push it under the spring and then place the detent right into the hole that it has here, and then stand it up. I want to make sure that the spring isn't bent or anything, and then this piece just goes directly into this hole. And then we spin it. So that now has that detent captured, right? It can't shoot out. So here's our pivot pin, and now we're just going to gently push that right into place, like so. And now our pivot pin is installed. And it is a tough new one. Just so you guys know, that's very normal when you have a brand new detent. You got to wear it in a little bit. So this is now installed, and we'll move on to the next component in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.